This is a demonstration of the OptimEyes File Manager Tool. In this example, we'll use the File Manager tool to open a set of files. Then we'll perform a filtering operation on each of them. And finally, we'll use the File Manager tool to save them with different file names. All of this will be automated using a Visualize script. So let's open the Visualize Scripting tool, and then in the File Manager tool, we'll go to the Multi-Open tab. We'll select the folder where the images we want to open are stored. From the filter list, we'll select *.bmp to open just the bitmap files. Next, we want to save the name of each file in a Visualize Script variable, so we'll check this checkbox and click the Visualize Script Variable Helper button to open this dialog and create a variable named FileName. To make it easy for the filter tool to process the correct image each time, we'll check Use Image and enter the name ImageX. That will ensure that each file is loaded into the same memory image regardless of its file name. With everything set up, we'll click Apply, which, although we're using the Multi-Open tab, will open just the first image. To open all of the images in the folder we selected, we'll need to use this within a script, so we'll click Record Script to add a multi-open step to our script. When we execute this script later, it will loop through the script once for each file in the folder. Next, we'll open the Filter tool, and we'll select the Horizontal Edge Finding filter. We'll verify that ImageX is selected as the input image, and we'll also select it as the output image so that we don't accumulate a large number of images in memory as the script executes. Next, let's run the filter. And as you can see, the horizontal edges in the image have been accentuated. So we'll click Record Script and close the Filter tool. Finally, we want to save the resulting files. We'll switch to the File Save tab in the File Manager tool, verify that ImageX is selected as the image to be saved, and select JPEG from the file type drop-down list. Then we'll select the location where we want our files saved. Let's create a new subfolder named Filtered. And we'll select this option to get the file name from the script variable that we set during the multi-open step. With everything set up, we'll click Save and Record Script. With that, our script is complete, so let's close the File Manager tool and run the script. The script is finished executing, so let's take a look at our files. Here we are in the Filtered folder. From the File Type drop-down list, we'll select JPEG, and there are the files we just created, each of which has been processed with a Horizontal Edge Finding filter.